7 Essential Tips to Ace Your CPR Training and Be Ready to Save Lives. CPR training equips you with life-saving skills, but passing the course requires focus, practice, and preparation. Whether you're learning for work, home, or community safety, these expert-backed tips will help you succeed. Stay calm during simulations, actively practice chest compressions and rescue breaths on mannequins, and master the basics, like hand placement and calling for help, before moving to advanced techniques. Take notes, ask questions, and prepare for different scenarios, including infant-to-child CPR and AED use. Most importantly, keep practicing after certification. Refreshing your skills ensures you'll act fast in real emergencies. CPR isn't just about getting certified, it's about confidence under pressure. By engaging fully in hands-on drills and revisiting techniques regularly, you'll be ready to make a life-or-death difference when it matters most.